Aloha and welcome to beautiful Kapalua Maui. This is Jeremy Stice of Hawaii Life Vacations, greeting you from beautiful Kapalua Bay here in the heart of Kapalua, where the Stice team is hosting a number of fine vacation rental properties at the above Kapalua Ridge villas and directly adjoining Kapalua Bay villas. Let's go check them out. Aloha. Aloha and welcome to beautiful Kapalua Maui. This is Jeremy Stice of Hawaii Life Real Estate Brokers and Hawaii Life Vacations, greeting you from residence 2321 here at the Kapalua Ridge Villas, a 1-bedroom, 2-bath, ocean view vacation rental property. We are looking directly towards the island of Lanai and Kapalua Bay down below us, fronting the Kapalua Bay course. Got some beautiful plumeria trees right outside the covered balcony of residence 2321. This is a large, little over 1,000 square foot vacation rental residence, just recently refreshed with brand new furniture. Got a beautiful working desk here, a pull-out sleeper sofa, so this residence will comfortably sleep 4. Brand new stainless appliances, a spacious kitchen, some laminate flooring in the kitchen. Pantry space here to the left. Professionally designed and decorated. And then beautiful views of the golf course and the ocean the minute you walk in the front door. Brand new flat screen TV. A electronic cobble lock secure entry. 2 flights of stairs leading up to the residence. Parking directly out front. And in this direction and within walking distance, directly down here is Kapalua Bay, a gorgeous white sand beach. A walk-in shower, single sink vanity, brand new Bosch washer and dryer, and then a spacious primary suite with a brand new king bed. Lots of closet space behind the mirrored doors. Soaking tub, dual sink vanity, and then we've got air conditioning units in each one of the main rooms and a beautiful view of the ocean also off the primary suite looking down towards Kapalua Bay. And directly below me is just the roof line of the covered carport area. The island of Molokai directly ahead. So you get glimpses of both outer islands and very short walking distance directly across the street to Kapalua Bay from the Kapalua Ridge Villas. So once again, this has been a tour of Kapalua Ridge Villas Residence 2321. You can find us online at vacations.hawaiilife.com and search for Ridge Villas 2321 or inquire directly with our reservations team at Maui Vacations at hawaiilife.com. This is Jeremy Stice from Hawaii Life saying aloha and a hui ho from Kapalua Maui.